It is a well-known fact that youth of any country is a great asset. Youth has the power to change the nation. So, we must give them the opportunities as they are the future of the country, and also they have the perspective which the older generation lacks.
Today, youth are our partner, but they are the leaders of the nation tomorrow. The leaders of the country should involve the youth for the development of the country.
Our youth went to the streets to serve the poor. Our youth gave their hands to the needy. Our youth went to each house to distribute the groceries. Our youth buried the dead bodies which were fallen on the streets. Our youth stood as a friend COVID warriors to fight against Corona. And our youth stand as a pillar to serve the nation.
The role of youths in nation building is more important than you might think.
The power of youth is a common wealth for the nation. All young peoples have ideas, creativity, and even a great energy to shape a better nation. But in order to implement these ideas, education is required to all.
ಯುವಕರು ತಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಅವನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಆ ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. ನಾನೊಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬ, ನನ್ನದೊಂದು ಕುಟುಂಬ ಎಂಬ ಭಾವನೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಯುವಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಯುವಕನು ತನ್ನ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲು ಸಿದ್ಧನಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಎನ್ನುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
किसी भी देश के विकास को उस राष्ट्र के युवाओं की शक्ति एवं कुछ कर दिखाने की चाह पर निर्भर होती है.
I personally believe that youngsters having or adapting qualities such as honesty, hard working, accountability, self-motivation, having vision and discipline be the best personalities as being youngsters, and also youngsters with these qualities be the best ingredients for the growth of a nation.
They are not only a vital source for state or for a nation, they are also change agents for the nation. The involvement of youth in the nation building process is must, as they play a most important role.
Youth has the power to help the country develop and move towards the progression.
ಇಂದಿನ ಯುವ ಜನರೇ ನಾಳೆಯ ನಾಯಕರುಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂದಿನ ಯುವಕರನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು.
The intelligence and the works done by the youth may bring the pathway to success to our country. They are equally responsible compared to the all citizens, and they are really energetic and enthusiastic to our environment.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವಕರ ಪಾತ್ರವೇನು? ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸಲು ಸುಶಕ್ತವಾದಂಥ ಯುವ ಪಡೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವ ಗುರಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ, ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿ, ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕವಾಗಿ, ನೈತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಾರದು.
Youth are not only young, energetic, independent and enjoying their rights. We are socially responsible also. We are responsible for the society's well-being, and today's youth are responsible for the nation's peace.
A nation's progress depends entirely upon the youth. Yes, the youth are called the building blocks or the torchbearer of the nation.
ಯುವ ಜನತೆ ದೇಶದ ಸಂಪತ್ತು. ಇಂತಹ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ದೇಶದ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಮೀಸಲಿಡುವುದು ಒಂದು ಮಹತ್ವದ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿದೆ.
Youth represent the most dynamic segment of the population. India is one of the youngest nations.
Youths are the future citizens of our country, which represent a highly dynamic, energetic and highly ambitious population of India. It is said that when the youth unite, they can change the direction of the wind.
Youth are the building blocks of a nation. It is a fact that the more stronger the youth, the more developed the nation is. The role of the youth in the nation building occupies a central place. The countries which utilize their youth in as right direction are more developed. On the contrary, the countries which fail to realize the importance of the youth lag behind in every department of life.
ಆದಷ್ಟು ಯೂತ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಭಯ ಪಡದೆ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಯೂತ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ತರದ ಸಹಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Youth is the period where revolutionary thoughts come to our mind, and these thoughts are helpful for the development of our country. As we know that a good seed provides a good crop, likewise a good young age can create a good society. Youth are also responsible for the social reforms and create awareness to the society. Hence, youth are not only the leaders of tomorrow but also the partners of today.
भारत विश्व का सबसे बड़ा युवा देश है. यदि शिक्षा, उद्योग, कृषि एवं राजनीति में युवाओं अपनी संपूर्ण शक्ति एवं क्षमता से कार्य करें तो उस देश की विकास को कोई नहीं रोक सकता.
And I'm proud to be born in this country, and I'm proud to be an youth of India, and I'm proud to be an Indian.
More power to the youth. Cheers to the youth team.